There's the right top. Pressure cook top on. I'm gonna put the vent on seal. Turn it on. Air crisp. Shot lid. Don't tell me my lid's messed up. I got the lid on. I was pressing air crisp instead of pressure. And we're going to go 10 minutes. Press start. Unlike other videos, I'm going to come back and show you how this stuff works. So right now, the pressure vent is on seal. So we're going to come back in a few minutes and see what it actually does. Okay, the pressure is still building up on the Ninja Foodi, and I don't know if you can see this or not, but on the vent thing right here where it's red, we can see steam coming out of the vent. I'm assuming that's normal because nobody on YouTube actually shows that happening. You know, the good thing about not getting paid by any manufacturers or suppliers or anything, I can actually show you guys what's going on with the Ninja Foodi while it's doing stuff. So, on the front panel, it's still building up pressure. On the top, the red vent, which is down, so that means it's not sealed, and it's venting steam. And I'm sure you can see the steam coming up. Alright, it's finally going to countdown clock has started, so the pressure's built up, and we're starting to cook the chicken. At the top of the lid, so far there's no steam. The lid or the button is up right there. Nothing's coming out of it. Well, that's a first, since I've had it anyway. Maybe that's that hot water that I put into the pot, based on what Jeremy Hill said. So we got 8 minutes 35 seconds to go. Okay, 10 minutes is up. We're going to the warm cycle, 23 seconds. So we're going to vent the pressure. If you'll notice, I don't know if you can see this here, hopefully you can see, there's a little lip that goes around the vent knob. Now, what I've seen on YouTube is people just moving it across, but obviously that doesn't work for me. So we're going to move it across and lift it up over this little lid right here. It's going to be a few minutes. Alright, that didn't take too long. Like I said, make sure that I have to make sure that the vent lever is above this little notch right here to make sure that it actually vents properly. The red knob, or whatever it's called, is depressed, so there's no water, whatever they call it. I'm taking the top off. That over there. Okay, there's the chicken. I'm going to get ready to season that up, and we'll come back when we're ready to air fry them. Okay, so we got the chicken out. That's 10 minutes of pressure cooking. Some nasty ass chicken looking right there. According to the video, I should be putting my seasoning on and then spray them down with olive oil or some other type of oil. What I'm going to do is oil, seasoning, and then more oil. Because I didn't like the last time I done the Kentucky Fried Chicken. So let's come back after I get the chicken set up. Okay, we got the chicken in the Ninja Foodi. It's seasoned up. You put the seasoning on, or I should say, I sprayed it down with oil on both sides. Put my Kentucky Fried Chicken type seasoning on there and spray it down again on both sides. And we're ready to go for another 10 minutes on air fry to crisp it up. Okay. Let's see how the chicken turns out. Go on. Fry. I'm going to do 400 degrees. Oh, hold on. Turn the camera around. I'm going to do 12 minutes. And I'll come back and check it in about 6 minutes. Okay, we're 6 minutes in to the air crisp process. My lighting is not that good, but I don't know if it looks like the video or not. But we got 6 minutes to go. I'm gonna turn them over and let them go for another 6 minutes. And it's 12 minutes of air crisp for the chicken. Let's see what it looks like. I don't know. I still hear it sizzling. Can't really see it. Mine is done. It took a few more minutes, but it looks okay. Let me try a little piece right here. It's nice, crispy, juicy. I be liking that stuff. Now, over here in the Ninja Foodi, let me open up the lid. Got some French fries we got from the store earlier today, or takeout restaurant. I'm just heating them up. So it's gonna be chicken and French fries for tonight. We got some nice looking chicken, some French fries that was just reheated, plate for LVs, plate for me, and you see I already took a bite out of one of them, and I can tell you that chicken is nice.